Alright, how's it going out here?
It's going great.
We're sorry about the audio quality in this video. Between the motor running and the wind, there's a lot of background noise. We have some new equipment now, so things are going to get a lot better.
You want to know what's going on?
Yeah, what are we doing?
Oh, all right. Yeah, so we are heading to Winthrop, Massachusetts for the night, getting a slip. We're on our way to the Bahamas, everybody.
I'm Eric Hanna, a retired game warden, and this is my wife Ash, an artist and published illustrator. You may recognize me from the hit Animal Planet TV show, Northwoods Law. After 17 great years with the New Hampshire Fish and Game Department, I decided it was time for a change. We gave up everything in exchange for an adventure like no other. Follow along with us and our two dogs as we sail, hunt, fish, cook, and discover all this wild world has to offer.
Ocean Bluff.
Ocean Bluff, Maryland.
Or Brant Rocks.
We're still in Massachusetts. We haven't got very far, folks. We've gone about 11 miles on our big journey.
But that little bad Betty needs to be broken in, which is why we're going slow.
We can only go...
Diesel's sick of it already.
We can only go turtle speed. We're not even turtle speed right now.
What do we have, 6 more hours left so we can... Or no,
4 more.
4 hours till we can go half speed. It's beautiful out.
Freaking tilt. I think those are stairs going up that tower.
Yeah. A lot of stairs. Seas are building. Judgy doesn't seem to mind.
Jacket's on the right way. It's getting a little bit hairy out here. I mean, it's not crazy yet.
Just hoping we can make it to Ocean Bluff before the seas build.
Bigger.
It's going.
It's going. It's a little rough going, but it's going.
It doesn't look big in the camera at all.
Sure it doesn't.
No.
Right now,
This is nice actually compared to what it was.
Yeah. It's a little sketchy, but we're getting there. Coming into the inlet right now, so it's a good
feeling. 1 foot sees my ass.
Yeah.
Marine forecast. A pleasant day for boating.
Serene.
Serene.
Serene boating.
Tranquil boating day. Finally! For how long? Who knows? We're heading to the marina to get parts. She was running. Now she's not. Seems to be a common theme. Judge has gotten comfortable. She's more like a cat.
She's like a cat in the water. So where are we going now? What are we doing? Tell her.
We just left Taylor Marine. We were there for what?
5 days.
5 days waiting on seas to pass.
Weather window.
A weather window to be able to make it down to Sandwich, where we have to go through the Cape Cod Canal. which sounds like a blessing. And now we have good weather.
Finally. Good morning, everyone. It's, what is it? Is today Thursday?
Yep.
Thursday the 14th of October. We are up bright and early. We're going to try to get through the Cape Cod Canal, which apparently can be pretty tricky. I think we've done everything right. We've timed it right with the tide and the wind, so hopefully we don't die.
How'd it go?
Made it, one piece. We had one little mishap with it.
We didn't get the waves on camera because it was a little hectic, but they were probably 4 feet.
Huh?
3, 4 feet.
Probably, yeah, 3 feet at least.
3 foot, just standing waves in the middle of the canal for no reason, so that was a good time, but we almost made it. It looks beautiful on the other side, so hopefully we're in good shape.
Where are we and what are we doing?
We're coming to Rhode Island now.
How did everything go so far? Good. So you were worried about the canal.
I wasn't worried about the canal.
No.
We just had to make sure we had. There's a shipwreck over here.
Is it what?
Starboard. Go starboard. Hold it like 250. We're good.
Okay. What were we saying?
Well, you can't go through the canal with a south wind.
Okay.
Because Buzzards Bay will have standing waves.
And what did we do?
Huh?
And what did we do?
So we went through with a west wind and an ebb tide.
Had no
Made it
issues,
through.
right?
Some standing waves in the middle for no reason whatsoever, but they weren't bad.
Yeah.
Buzzards Bay sucks. A lot of commercial traffic in there.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's not terrible, but when you're in a 23-foot boat, commercial traffic really
When you're
sucks.
in a 23-foot boat, everything is hard.
Yeah.
Littlest wave will make it feel like a tidal wave. Goodbye, Massachusetts.
So we're crossing
fun.
over like soon.
We've been here for a long time. Longer than I've ever been in Massachusetts. We've been here for a month.
Yeah.
Between
Too
staying
long.
at my sister's and
No
we've been
starboard.
we've been on the boat for a week now, officially. Today's been a week. And it hasn't been too bad.
Huh?
So it hasn't been bad, right? We're going to an anchorage. It requires us to go like 8 miles. Is that how far it is up there? But I think the next couple of days are going to be really bad weather-wise, sea state-wise. So we're going to try to find a nice little place to get in and get protected. And it's our first time anchoring on this boat, so hopefully it goes well.
Dean, what do you think?
We think the anchor's going to hold. What do you think, Diesel?
What's Judgy think?
Diesel wants to cheese it.
This is what Judgy thinks of the boat life.
What do you think?
Just living your best life.
We're in the anchorage and we're holding. It's a new experience for me, like I said, but we're holding, I think, and the dogs made us crazy because they jumped in the water and they're not supposed to.
They jumped in the water. Diesel's life jacket wrapped around his leg so he
Yep.
couldn't swim.
The dinghy's going flat.
The dinghy's going
It's
flat.
running better now, but it's going flat.
Yeah, it's going flat every 1 second.
So things are great.
Yep. And our beer's warm.
Beer's warm.
And I mean, I guess if that's all the complaints we have, that's not too bad.
It's not too bad all in all.
Oh, and we don't have a toilet. But
We have a turlet.
we have a little weird toilet. But
Just a little weird turlet.
so that's where we're at.
Ready for some broadside beat down. The waves are coming at us broadside. Just.
We're heading to Newport. It's only like 9 miles if we make it, but we're getting our ass kicked already. So Yeah, it doesn't look like much, but...
And it really isn't much. I mean, as far as waves go, but for us it is. It's a little 23-foot skip. We're getting beat up pretty good.
Yeah. We have to get around that point. Hopefully when we switch directions it'll get a little bit better, but...
Especially when we have a top speed of 7 miles an hour.
Solid 7.
We survived another adventure thus far. Still gonna get into the marina here in so much. But we're out of the main part of the Atlantic for now. Yet another perfect storm.
No, Newport sucks. There's literally no protection from the wind anywhere in here. And until at least Sunday, there's 4 to 6 foot seas. So, can't leave. We're not going anywhere. We're gonna go upriver, maybe. Try to find a better spot.
Try to get out of this weather and wind and find a better spot. It's better for the dogs, because we can't take them in. We can't even go over to the little beach over there because we get swamped in the dinghy trying to do it.
Yeah, and everywhere's private. So we found a new spot called Potter Cove, which is a different Potter Cove than we went to last night that the harbor master told us about. And we're still in the wind, not as badly, but...
You could have been talking about that Potter Cove.
Yeah, that's true.
All the mussel shells.
I know, there's mussel beds somewhere and I want to find them.
What are you doing?
Looking for crabs. Oh, he left!
You dropped them?
Yeah, they were
Oh,
so
no.
small I didn't even know he was gone.
It'd be cool if you could find a really awesome shell.
Like you?
Boom, I found it. Look at that beauty. I don't know what it is, but it's like a giant snail or something.
I can't believe I just lost my crab.
That's a cool shell.
That is a really cool shell. This is why my cuts don't heal.
Yeah, I can see that. Guys, get out of the mud.
He's gone.
We're staying in the mud. I don't care, actually.
We're taking dogs for a walk on this island.
What is the island called?
Potter's Cove.
Potter's Cove, that's right. Something island. It's not the name for the island, too, isn't it?
There's fruit on
Goat
that
Island?
tree.
Huh?
Fruit on that tree.
Oh my gosh, what are they?
I don't know.
Oh yeah. They kind of look like pears.
That'd be sweet.
Yeah, it would. No way. Are those the apples or the pears?
Oh, they're pears. Good job.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's cool.
Reggie, it's like a whole tree of tennis balls.
Judgy. Try one, tell me how good they are. Try one, make sure they're not poisonous.
The herb.
Yeah, that's how they are.
Let's go.
Pears are tough.
I'd love to cook them down a little bit.
When they're on the tree like that, they're like hard as a rock.
Yeah, but I could cook them down and make like
Like a pear au jus.
chutney for
I don't
the
even know what an au jus is.
venison.
Cool, awesome. We got some pears. Look at that. No way. They're the smallest little apples I've ever seen, but they're cute. Oh. No, these are good apples. No, these are, I was just kidding about the small part. There's 3 like monster apples. There's some more on the ground, but I don't think they're any good. Okay, what do you make?
I'm making venison with the pears that we found and the apples that you found.
Nice.
And I'm gonna make, I don't know, some sort of pear apple spicy reduction for on top of the venison. Okay, so in here we have our diced apples and pears, and some red onion and Thai chilies and garlic, browned butter, lemon, and honey. And we'll just hope that it tastes good after it reduces down to something.